Dear students and professionals, nowadays there are lot many talks happening regarding online learning. So I would like to take a few minutes to explain to all of you that what is an online learning and what is an effective online learning. Now on one side there are many portals which are having lot many courses on their website, and they are in a position to provide those courses in a recorded format with the tutorials, and based upon your payment they will be in a position to release either all the chapters or a few chapters and few tutorials, and you, any student, any professional will be learning of his own. You cannot stop in between, you cannot raise your hand, you cannot ask any question. Even if you have to ask any question, you will have to go to the chat box and they will be in a position to respond to it maybe slightly sometime later. Now, these kind of portal based online services are not meant for students, not meant for graduates, postgraduates who really want to learn a particular course or a subject or a project, but they are more suitable for those professionals who keep on traveling. They will download this kind of a course onto their laptop or their mobile and iPad, and whenever they are traveling at their leisure time they can learn this. However, the second type of learning, online learning, is where you are having the teacher in front of you on your laptop screen. Teacher is in a position to see the student, student is in a position to see the teacher. It can be one-on-one class, or it can be a class of, let's say, in our institute, in our case, maybe around 4 or 5 students in one batch, and then they are in a position to see the teacher. They are in a position to raise the hand. They are in a position to ask the teacher any question in their local language. Teacher will stop. At the same time, in our learning, in our institute learning, we have got a digital platform whereby the screen of the student or the professional who is undertaking a course, that screen itself is the control of that laptop screen is taken over by the teacher, and anybody, anything which our trainer, our teacher is writing onto that screen, it is visible to the student. In this kind of a digital online platform, you are in a position to see and talk to the teacher. You are in a position to raise your hand, stop and ask for explanation of some particular topic in your own way. Thirdly, you are also, anybody is in a position to see on his screen at his speed, at his learning interest, the kind of code or the kind of language or the kind of script or kind of network architecture which is shared with you. So, earlier the web based online learning may be less expensive, less costly. It may look to be an attractive for some student and some of the parents. However, I will not recommend that for the student and undergraduate and postgraduate who really want to sharpen their skill and acquire a specific knowledge of the subjects like IT networking, cyber security, data sciences, coding in Python, Django, Kiwi, digital marketing. So, all these courses where cloud computing. So, these are the courses where probably a student or a professional or a learner needs to take it online to the extent that he is not physically sitting in front of the teacher due to this COVID pandemic crisis, but he is virtually taking the class or the lecture or the project instruction from the teacher in front of his screen, and he is constantly looking into the eyes of the teacher. Teacher is constantly looking into the student. Student can raise the hand, stop, and then continue. So I would suggest the students, the parents, everybody who is into the online learning, or anybody in their family is going in for online learning, please go in for a teacher, trainer or project guide based online learning platforms. Do not subscribe to the online web portal based services, where probably that is not meant, that is meant for a different segment of the professionals, and not the student and the professional who are in a position to do some course or some project in a time span of, let's say, 2 months, 3 months or 1 month. So please understand this difference, and then take the right decision. And for all kind of details, all other finding, please refer to our website. This is already mentioned time and again, www.icaiicomputerskill.com, and you will get all the details there. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.